Some news just coming in at this point in time amid the ongoing CBI probe in the Kolkata horror. TMC netas have lashed out at the CBI, saying that CBI must solve the case quickly. Kolkata police are given 3 days to probe. CBI failed to uncover anything new in the case, is what the Trinamool Congress has said.
देखिए, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर कमेंट नहीं करना है। ये तो शायद ये कौन केस में, शायद वो करप्शन वाला केस में। लेकिन पहले क्वेश्चन यही है, जो वो आरजी कौर का जो रेप केस है, मर्डर केस है, वो तो तुरंत सॉल्व होना चाहिए। एक अरेस्ट वो भी कलकत्ता पुलिस ने किया है। सीबीआई क्या कर रहा है? जितना डिले हो रहा है, इतना फेक न्यूज, ये जो बहुत गॉसिप्स चल रहा है, पॉलिटिक्स चल रहा है, ये स्टॉप करने के लिए ये तो सॉल्व होना चाहिए। पहले तो वो मैटर सॉल्व होना चाहिए।
Indrajit Kundu getting in more details, but expected, isn't it, Indrajit? Because the Chief Minister had said long ago, essentially, that if the CBI does not fail to, in fact, get all the people arrested in this case and hang them within a week's time, this is a deadline that she had set. And now this gives them the opportunity to go after the CBI or the central government indirectly by saying that, look, we said so. The Kolkata police handled this case and did so effectively.
Well, that is exactly what is happening. We're seeing how politics is playing out over this entire matter. It's a very, very emotive issue at that. And more than 1 week has passed, Neha, and the CBI has failed to make any headway. No fresh arrest has been made. So there is public pressure building on the Central Probe Agency. There is pressure from the family members, the parents of the victim. They are, speaking out over the past 48 hours again and again, saying that they are also losing patience. The students, of course, are saying that justice delayed is justice denied. A team of students went and met, the CBI officials day before yesterday to seek response as to, what is the status of the case. We haven't heard much from the CBI so far. They have submitted a status report in sealed cover before the Supreme Court, but there has been no visible, action as far as the CBI is concerned, in a sense that there hasn't been a fresh arrest. And the fact that the CBI has conducted polygraph tests on the former principal as well as the main accused clearly shows, with experts are saying, that the CBI has not been able to, CBI hasn't been successful in getting fresh evidence. And that's why they are trying to correlate, the various versions, because there have been differences in what the version of the principal and the parents. So the CBI's entire motive right now, through the polygraph test conducted on 7 people, is to figure out, is there, a possible difference of version, who is lying, and how they can lead this entire, investigation forward.
All right, Indrajit Kundu getting in those details as far as the TMC's response to slow investigation, they claim, by the CBI here is concerned. It's involving the murder of the 31-year-old trainee doctor.